Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox technical difficulties, code error, easy and quick. And if you want to fix it, type here device manager. Now click display adapters, update those drivers here, and also update network adapters. If you want to update it, all you need to do, right click, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and also update the next one and update all of those here. And then restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, type here Windows update settings and click on it. Now just update, click check for updates, and after that make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and that's it. Then you will find that your problem is fixed, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.